45 YouTube content ideas will boost your channel. Part 2. Number 11. How to video. An explanation video has been seen to understand how to do anything by 96% of respondents, according to a WHITEBOARD survey. A lot easier than through writing. Demonstrating something visually might aid in understanding. Ideas for how to. Getting better at playing the guitar. Write SEO-friendly content. Making your own animations. Microsoft Office usage instructions. Using thumbnails to increase visitors and views. Number 12. Video tutorial. Similar to how-to videos, tutorial videos present a more comprehensive view of the subject. Viewers can learn how to use AI for content development, for instance, through a lesson. You should describe actions in detail and explain why you do certain things in particular ways in the lesson or explain the film. Number 13. Lesson on history. Consider a subject that you are enthusiastic about and that is related to the theme of your work or channel. For the purpose of instructing your audience, thoroughly research the subject. Include more amusing or fascinating information on the subject. If your audience has any more information, you may also ask them to remark. Number 14. Best items or tools for. To assist users in selecting the ideal product for their needs, create a useful guide on the subject. If the relevant brands are interested in your films, sponsors and paid social media advertising may become available. Ideal product concepts. 2022's top SEO tools. Popular video games on computers. The top productivity tools for contractors. Best lenses for cameras for photographers. Top free design tools. Number 15. Display your collections. Show off whatever cool collections you may have, such as CDs, video games, crystals, or NFT artwork, to your followers. You can provide any intriguing backstories for some of them as well as how and where you acquired them. The potential here is limitless. Show them off if you have a lot of them. Number 16. Send out game tutorials. Gamer channels are well liked and receive a lot of viewership among gamers. Create an in-game lesson if your project or channel connects to this section. While playing the game, capture your screen so you can show viewers how to complete certain tasks. Number 17. Dispel a few myths. By selecting a myth to debunk, you can make an entertaining informational film. Pick an option that is simple for you to test out and attempt. Number 18. Animation or whiteboard explainer videos. Create a creative explainer video with eye-catching graphics. To demonstrate concepts, you can hand-draw diagrams on a whiteboard or make computer animations. Instead of just listening to a speech about anything, viewers prefer learning new things through innovative methods. Number 19. Show visitors around your city and popular attractions. Explore your own city by going outside. However, bring your camera along so you may capture your surroundings for your audience.